Me nyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no anopa ya ha na brema kwan na ye de asie. Ebro so wo ko wonima so awade hwe so mfa nkonfa mra asomdwe mu. Yada mo asepa sa wonyo hyenkani so de a join your live on Facebook/Adom TV. Wo office nso wo Go TV a channel no ye 119 and a DSTV nso a 280. Na se de mu nyina munim dada no for Super Friday and ye de aboboa no akwa wie mu wo tema. Na import and exporters one more how ya one more famu no and ne ye tema na freight forwarders one more office hono yete ho pe nti wo hweme na wotema ene ne mpotemu abra na beka team no ho na ohaw bia yemfa nto dwa mpanifo tie wo mo hwe Adom TV Badwam nti mo gidie so de to hono ma we betie anoche wa ba akwasinsia dache hene Sarah ene team ni nyina one more freight forwarders one more officer whatema enne womo ekra nuoma womo ede niema konkrofo aman so how ya womo famu ni atete duty tuanom ni ade bibia yo okay de ma wona ho komo ene eba bedi nti so hu semi gina ha me no mene Priscilla ene team na aka no ye so ye bo wa ha sei na team no foforo no so ekọ tema ya de ni nyina ebebramo shano so sa gudie mu nsam beba enne fiada ahosepenso ebeba yem birthday celebrant no so ye refi mu interviews ahodo wo ho ntia semidi katichu no so ye be ko tema na fe yaka no so ede aka ho ntia no ene dwumade ne fiada no pay ye de bramo na mama sha se mekwa adomonline.com so na do bonkrata no so ewo haidie na daily guide obokrata no enie MPP present vetting reports Monday na chese ya vet wonu ma wie no nyame ya doma Monday ena wodo wanu din sam no so meba ko pay 3 daily guide obokrata no so ewo sansem ni nyina egu ho. I'm best to lead MPP ba umia na eka say ya mampani abedi akire so hwe nipa dunu a wo mo pre mampani de bia wo MPP mu no oye best chese wono pa na chese delegates amotoma ne dia mo wie breaking the 8 no kianeke mu be breaking ti ho sam the obokrata no daily guide de aba NDC MPs boycott parliament for question and also pay 6 the bokrata no edebai enra ena kase ni mu nso ye de abrabo kokuma wo mra so bedwafie mu enra wo munyina no delegation wo munyina nti wo mo ekodi ora jeche question ne ora to forsen achi nti mfonyi no nso wo Ahase North MP trial adjourn enti wo copy 6 the bokrata daily guide ne so ya ajebre na wo so ekinkan bia ne ensem ahodo ya ewomo the Ghanaian publisher so the ambassador ye de to yen kase ni mu no o se disqualified aspirants can appeal ora obiamu anso ene de to wo pay 3 the Ghanaian publisher ne dia wono so de abanie as quiz committee submit report and also eho asem why Etiwa East loves Abena na yama me Abena ya wono ejina mu Etiwa East no womo ebusa wu bisa adenti na Etiwafo womo ni gine ho sa wunya the Ghanaian publisher ne bia and also betumi akenkan ni nyina bi ewo ho ba wo me calls for clean campaign and also eho asem page 2 Ghanaian publisher de no no Alliance Boy News and Bex delegate and also ewo haseya minority force so jam na shebe jafie ne to ho kodi court achie no eno so ehun nsem ewo ho the chronicle the obokrata no so ewo animo ha say judge tells council this is not parliament for you to hackle each other enti eno so unya the obokrata chronicle no so ensem no ewo animo ha parliament shoot down Supreme Court Bonsam Tower verdict enti eno so unya bra Mr. Chronicle the obokrata no so edia anopay wode ebaye no graphic UMB dipping partnership. Now it's a daily graphic the Bokrata no enum so ena me war anopay minority boycott parliament to support colleagues in court no and also daily graphic the Bokrata no de aba young court time constituency and constituency watch no wamosha time constituency I was a tourism mine in waiting na we hear for you na wa animo hano na eboa we sold our destiny Brewania say community cries after losing livelihood to company a company beya woko page 13 na the bokrata no so de aba ewo animo ha the finder the bokrata no so de a womode abani vetting report ready Monday. Committee rejects claims of special treatment for some candidates. And also the finder the bokrata no and a MPP asema ura obi amwanso edeni mohano what more can ede afa ho I will win swing regions for MPP ora Alan Shamatin then to about what the ashisha so e won kan no and ono so the sansem we so to a job or the government needs to balance increased revenue generation with business with business friendly environment investors and also Kasao page 8 you know. And some for no Rafiatu Brima. And so yakra when you're 12 years, yes, we hear $10,000 for hole in heart surgery. About one of a fair or the animoha. Tim Webia will be able to media boa. Now, what to me, I hear the surgery, no, young famwa. Now, meba adomonline.com, so the one cratano online stories, no, so I will have first trailer for Bob Marley, One Love. Biopic release into and also adomonline.com so a day aba a veteran actress Auntie B states condition under which she will date again and we entertainment story and a Boacheja challenges MPs breaking the 8th mantra and also asem any politics mono Boacheja makes shocking revelation about his father's political struggles and Ezra. And also some local news on so adomonline.com no Kwesi's application for stay President Akufo-Addo's audio played in court and also adomonline.com and then send me brainy audios and so ti Mr. we nya free time be say okwa yen stories ni nyina so ya ye de go no wa kenkan sanso na myonline.com so okwa no man send nyina wo ho a ubetumi akenkan bie mededi afia amankwa tamaklo sene so se ne eyamenkwa na meye dwumadie no na meme na me wo studio ha na team ni nyina de wo mo watemase freight forwarders for officer watema no and then community to agina import and exporters for one more challenges and going forward no eniema bay and eboa adwuma ne mu te say enti Mr. watema and an important mu dia unim freight forwarders for office na ewo tema no yen hia wo ho anopay na fei yeni yenkomo brantam na wasem bi said da wakoma so no yetume de ato office mpanifo ni nyina na ha Adom TV and wo muti wo hwe so wo free fie kra dem live e wo Facebook/Adom TV nti twa ye ho sesi team na de kan wo ho ye kwa akwa kan wo mo ho e bre no eso abasesi ade ye wo ha ye koi agudie mo nsem erekesi edubodi etwa so